Hi everyone, this is Christine Oshu. I'm here to teach you a keep on rolling tool to help you shift from anxiety to inner peacefulness. And this is a tool that I learned when I was going through a difficult divorce from a counselor, and it really helped me, and I hope it helps you. And it's as simple as use an expression that we use often to soothe others, but we can use it on ourselves. So by taking your palm up here, you can start to draw a circle with your index finger, whatever finger you choose, and you slowly draw the circle and you start to use the phrase, everything is going to be okay. And as you draw the circle, just keep your eyes on your finger. And what happens is you start to divert your attention from any anxious thoughts by having this focal point. You also start to feel this mind-body connection. You're telling yourself, your brain, by the words, everything is going to be okay, and your brain believes what you tell it. So it sends signals to your body that it's safe, everything's going to be okay. So you start to create endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, while you reduce cortisol, the stress hormone. And also you can reduce your heart rate and your blood pressure. Everything that helps you feel more peaceful inside. And if you want to, you can switch and do it to your other palm. It's not necessary. But it's just a wonderful tool because anxiety happens when we're afraid of what's going to happen in the future, of the unknown. So this is a wonderful way to tell yourself everything's going to be okay. Give it a try. Just take one more step. Keep on rolling and never give up. All the best.